Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Collaboration and union. Acceptance, collaboration, and union is key to create a greater world. Contrast and diversity is needed to create meaningful change. Accept one another and work together to create peace and harmony. When we all unite for the purpose of co-creation, we know the universal forces are guiding us every step of the way to a brighter world and ecosystem. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, just close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for right now. I am grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.